Hey everyone, Photos from Chasing Adventures here with another update. As many of you probably heard on the news and whatever, Barry did make landfall as a hurricane last night in Texas. I tried to look for a camera showing the beach, showing whatever, but all the cameras are down in Texas, so I cannot show them or go live and show them, so I cannot show what it looks like in Texas. Once they get their power back, then I'll go live and I'll try to show the damage. Yeah, I can't show any of the chasers' footage without their permission, so because it's copyright, but that's fine. Um, but yeah, she is now a tropical storm. As the 4 o'clock update, maximum sustained winds are now 45 miles per hour. Movement north northeast at 16. So she's going to be going up and around, and she'll be gone out of your guys' hair soon. Hope everyone else was safe. I know a lot of people are without power right now, but don't worry, the power crews are on their way. They'll get your power restored as fast as they can and safely. I do know there's some tornadoes going on in Louisiana, so please keep those in Texas and Louisiana in your prayers. We'll try to find a link or something so if anyone wants to donate to the victims of the survivors of the hurricane when it made landfall in Texas. I will try to find a link and post it on my community wall. Um, Here's the key messages for at 4 o'clock. Water levels will remain elevated along Galveston Bay and along the coast of Texas from Port O'Connor to Salmon Pass. Considerable flash and urban flooding is expected through tonight across portions of the upper Texas coast. Across eastern Texas, minor to isolated major river flooding is also expected. Use caution after beryl passes as deadly hazards remain included down power lines to flooded areas. Ensure generators are properly ventilating. Avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Exercise caution when using chainsaws and power tools, and drink plenty of water to avoid heat exhaustion. Rip currents will cause life-threatening beach conditions through Tuesday across portions of the northern and western Gulf Coast. Beachgoers should heed warning flags and advice of lifeguards, local officials before venturing into the water. Let me go back. Yep, all this flash flooding. Arizona red for Dallas Fort Worth are most likely risks for flash flooding. Areas are like Little Rock, Memphis, Evansville, Louisville, Cincinnati, Indianapolis, Columbus, Pittsburgh, Cleveland, Buffalo, Grand Rapids, Milwaukee, Springfield, Louisiana, Oklahoma City, Fort Smith, Little Rock, Birmingham, Alabama, Montgomery, Augustine, Charlotte, and also down in Florida, with a marginal at least. So, yeah, this area you're going to be dealing with some flooding for a while, but it should secede back down to the ocean. I hope everyone else is safe on this hurricane. Please keep them in your prayers. Help them as you can. And this is probably going to be my next video of this tropical system. I want to thank for those that came to my nice dreams, that shared, commented. Please like, comment, subscribe to this channel, as I'll be doing more of these type of videos when a new threat of a tropical system threatens anyone from Florida, the Gulf Coast, Texas, the Carolinas, whatever. When the next storm comes, I'll be here reporting on it. And so, thanks for all the likes, new shares, and new subscribers. Thank you all so very much. I hope everyone has a good evening. Be safe. And please like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day and be safe. Bye.